Once again, my name is Victor Digomore here, and we are still looking at the solution to the 2025 WAEC exam mathematics that was written. We promised to solve all the questions in the examination, and that is what we are doing. We've solved the sections, section A, and we're in the section B part, and we are looking at the questions. We are looking this question we are solving now is question 10. Question 10. We've solved the other ones. If you are check out the previous classes, you'll be able to access the solution to those questions. This question 10 says the cost C of feeding some students in a class is partly constant and partly varies as the number of students n in the class. For 8 students, the cost is $70, and for 10 students, the cost is $90. Find an expression for C in terms of n. II, the cost of feeding 12 students. Of course, this is a partial variation. We've done some classes in variation. Please access those classes and build a foundation that can help you to understand what you're going to do here. It's very, very important. Okay, let's proceed into the question, because those explanations that you get if you access the previous classes, those information you need to get is going to help you to understand. We may not be able to give them again. That's exactly what I'm trying to say. So we are going to write the mathematical expression that will help us to project a variation that we say is partial. Okay. We are going to have C is equals to, let's say, A plus Bn. Okay. We are going to use this mathematical expression. C is equals to A plus Bn. So this is partial variation, a situation whereby a quantity is dependent on two other quantities. Okay, this A and B are constants. Okay, whereas C and N are varying. So by the information given to us here, a student takes $70. So I can say that $70 equals to A plus 8B. Okay, which I can rewrite it as A plus 8B equals to 70. I call it equation 2. And if you extend it in the next level, you see that 10 students take $90. So just exactly what I'm going to do here again. A plus 10B equals to 90, equation 3. These two equations now, we can solve them simultaneously. Okay, I believe you are with me at this level. So if I solve them simultaneously, it is just by subtracting. Why am I subtracting? Because this and this are the same. If I subtract, I eliminate one and leave the rest. So if I subtract this, permit me to maintain absolute value, because I've seen that if I put this equation first and put this one down, could have made something look somehow reasonable, but just I'm taking the absolute value. This minus this is 0, this and this, the difference is just 2b. Okay, I am not interested in saying that this is going to be minus. Of course, if I put minus here, this is also going to be minus 20. It's still the same thing, so I can take away this minus and take away this minus and still have this. So my b is equals to 20 over 2. So b is equals to 10. Okay, then put it back in the equation 2. So I say in 2, a plus 8 bracket 10 is equals to 70. A plus, this is 80, is equals to 70. So if I collect like terms, A is equals to 70 minus 80. So I will have that A is equals to minus 10. Then I, that question that was asked in I, is the expression for C in terms of N. So C back here is going to be minus 10 plus, what is B? B is 10. 10n minus 10 plus 10n. Okay, this is the expression for C in terms of n. So with this information now, we can answer the II question that says the cost of feeding 12 students. So for 12 students, you will have that C is equals to minus 10 plus in brackets 10 times 12. Okay, so which is 120. So C is equals to minus 10 plus 120. So this is C equals to 110. The cost will be $110. Put that unit of measurement for them. Whatever unit of measurement that is used in any mathematical calculation, ensure that you attach it when you are done with your calculation so that you can be able to earn the complete mark that is associated with that question. We have solved question 10 and we are moving on to this section. Okay, question 10b. This question 10b, should I continue solving it here? I want to make this class to be very brief, so let me take it in the next class. It's circle theorem, and I believe you are going to be there. Please follow us, subscribe to the channel, like what you're doing, and share to your friends. You will not regret doing that. Thank you so much for being there.